In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter projection breakdowns in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to organize your cash flow details so you can focus on the time frame or transaction type that matters most to you. First, start by logging into Xero using your usual credentials. Once you're in, look for the Reporting option in the main navigation. Click Reporting to open the area where Xero gathers your financial insights. From here, open the short-term cash flow projection. This report helps you understand your expected cash in and cash out over the near future, making it easier to plan payments and stay ahead of any tight spots. When the projection loads, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Projection Breakdown. This is where the detailed figures live beneath the summary view. Think of the breakdown as the nuts and bolts of your cash flow. It shows the individual components that add up to the projection, so you can see what's driving changes day by day or week by week. To refine what you're seeing, click the Filter dropdown in the Projection Breakdown area. This control changes how the information is grouped and displayed. You'll see options like All, Day, Week, and Invoices, Bills. All shows the complete picture without grouping, which is helpful when you want the fullest detail. Day groups activity by individual days, ideal for monitoring very short-term movements or checking what's due today and tomorrow. Week groups activity by week, which is great for planning across a slightly longer horizon and spotting patterns. Invoices, Bills, organizes the breakdown by transaction type, letting you separate expected customer payments from upcoming supplier obligations. After you make your selection, wait a moment for the projection data to update. Xero refreshes the view automatically, and depending on the size of your data, it may take a brief moment to recalculate and redraw the breakdown. Once the data refreshes, view the filtered projection breakdown results. Scan through the entries with your current objective in mind. If you chose day, check which dates have spikes. If you chose week, look for weeks where outflows exceed inflows. And if you chose Invoices/Bills, quickly compare what you're expecting to receive versus what you need to pay. If you want to change perspective, simply return to the Filter dropdown and pick another view. That's it. You've filtered projection breakdown data in Xero, giving you a clearer, more organized view of cash flow by the lens you choose.